Essential oils are everywhere. They're in our skincare, they're in our craft products, they are in TikTok hacks. But are they as good as people claim they are? Today, I'm going to break down 5 essential oil myths you've probably heard about. And let's say what the science says about it and if it's true or not. Myth number 1, natural equals safe. Now, because it's completely natural and plant-based, it doesn't mean it's risk-free. Poison ivy is natural. Cyanide, natural too. While some essential oils like cinnamon oil and clove oil, they can actually burn your skin if it comes direct in contact with it. So here's a tip. Essential oils are super potent, super powerful. So you always want to dilute them with some form of carrier oil or a base that helps to reduce the strength. Myth number 2, you can apply them neat on your skin. Many influencers say that you can apply essential oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, lemon oil directly on your skin. But this can cause sensitization, meaning that your skin can become very sensitive. You could use it once, twice, a month or two, and nothing may happen, but suddenly something triggers and your skin develops an allergy that you don't know why, but it is usually the essential oil. Remember, no dilution equals chemical burns and lifelong sensitivities. You don't want that. So remember, always dilute. Typical dilution that is safe is 1 to 2% of the weight of the essential oil and add it to a carrier oil or a base or a soap. Myth number 3, just add essential oil to water in a spray bottle. Oil and water do not mix. That's elementary 101. If you mix oil in water in a spray bottle, the oil is going to float on top. And when you spray, it's going to be very concentrated. It's going to damage your surfaces. If you spray on your skin, it's going to burn your skin.
Ouch!
You need something to help the oil and water mix, like an alcohol or a solubilizer like Polysorbate 20 or Polysorbate 80. That can help the oil and water mix, and then you have an even blend. Myth number 4, they replace medicine. While essential oils are very potent and have therapeutic benefits, they should not replace medicine or the medication that you're currently taking. Using essential oils instead of medication for issues like asthma or an antibiotic replacement can be dangerous. Essential oils are beautiful because of their therapeutic benefits to help relaxation and skin support. But if you have severe issues and health indications, please consult a doctor. Finally, myth number 5, more is better. If the belief that 2 drops are good, 10 must be better. Not really. Like anything else excessive, overusing essential oils can cause health issues, sensitization, allergies may happen, including respiratory issues, skin burns, and it may not be very good for pregnant women, children, and pets. Remember, too much equals toxic load. So here's a tip. Use them sparingly. They are very concentrated. Always follow the safety usage guidelines. Respect the plant and use them wisely. If this video helped bust some myths for you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and drop a comment with any other natural skincare myths you'd like us to look into. See you in the next one!